Morning guys, we thought we would do our first ever hotel vlog. So just right here at the start is the bus stop, just here to the left, in this porter cabin right now because the place is getting done up. And just to the left of the bus stop is the old reception. Now this big building here used to be the reception, but because it's under renovation you can't get to reception this way. I'm just going to show you some of the renderings to show you what reception is going to look like. It looks pretty cool, and then they're going to have a wee bar in it as well. Now just from there they've got it marked up here telling you where the reception and that is, and Natalie's like overjoyed because this wee cat is following us. So anyway, this wee burger bar here I think opens at 6 o'clock and it does like tacos and all that stuff and burgers, and as you can see we've got a wee cat to come along on our journey.
Hello.
So straight down the main courtyard bit here, our hotel room is over on this side, is the reception as you can see just here, and right in front of us is where you get breakfast, and there's a bar at night and you can get your dinner and all that.
It's a bit dear, it's €6.50 for breakfast.
Yeah, breakfast is £6.50 or €6.50 isn't it? Like it says. We can't actually go in and show you now because one, there's so many people, and two, I don't think you can get in unless you actually pay.
Yeah, you can't just go in and look.
So we'll show you reception.
Yeah.
So just when you go into reception, here on the left hand side there's vending machines. You can come and get juice and stuff. You can get some coffee, get some pasta, then you can get stuff that you forgot. And also you can come and get some pop vinyls and stuff.
I like these are so cute.
They are pretty cool. But they're a wee bit expensive, they're €18 as well. And then you've got a wee bit here as well if you forgot any toiletries. So just out of reception at the right hand side is this wee bit here saying My Little Farm, and you might have heard that, but it sounds as if something's going crazy this morning.
These are a pterodactyl.
I know, so we're going to go down and have a wee look at the farm.
No.
I think they might either be getting fed or watered or something, because look, they're all out in force this morning. That's brilliant. I'll get some llama, some sheep, donkeys, goats. It looks like the guy's just over there. I'm not too sure what he's going to do, whether he's going to, looks like maybe hose them down or give them some water. We'll wait and see what happens. Look at the size of this giant bunny, and their wee name is Josephine. She's huge.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, we're going to just have a wee look and see where this guy's taking them. Oh, they're going into their field, I think. I think that means they're about to play. So the guy's just letting them out of one field and I think straight into the other one, and look at them all, they're loving it. This is amazing.
Hurry up, donkey.
I know. Donkey, you're going to be late. I think they prefer that field.
Oh. How cute is that little donkey running? That goat's not for leaving.
Nah, he's staying. The guy's trying to get this last goat through, and the goat's just having none of it. He's like, no, I'll go in my own time. Eventually he decides to go through. We've also got some guinea pigs as well.
Bernardo and Tornado.
Cool.
What amazing names.
He was just having his breakfast. And we just had the black ones there, and now we've got the white ones. Although they're not wanting to come out today, they're sleeping in. And just over here, I think we've got some more rabbits and guinea pigs. And there's a couple of them out there. That's so cool. It's just telling you, this is the ladies. Oh no, it's not, it's just the rabbits, sorry. And this is our guinea pigs.
Oh.
So there's a wee bit here, you just need to guess what the feet are to the animal. So you've got a goat there, Natalie. What's the foot?
Here.
This one here, that's a goat's foot. You got a pig. What's his foot?
This one.
There's a piggy's foot. Looks quite similar to the goat's foot. Chicken?
This one.
No.
This one.
That one. Why would you pick that one there? It's that one, obviously.
That looks like a chicken foot.
That's not a chicken foot. Horse. Cow.
Who's wrong now, eh?
Well, me. Horse.
This one.
No. I'm looking you on. Of course it is. And then duck. Where's a duck? Duck.
The 6.5 centimetre foot.
Goose. So just when you come out of the little farm, just at breakfast bit, there's just a wee staircase down here. We're going to go down here and see the horses and that in the other field that the guy put them in. Looks as if this is the field they go in, like just to get some grass and stuff and to play about basically, because it looks as if there's some wee ramps and stuff in here, and as you can see probably up here in the distance, they're running about like crazy. There's also this wee path here. This takes us right down and out at a wee lake, which we're actually going to walk down and show you that as well. But here's all the sheep and all that in the other field. It's a lot greener looking than the other one. I think they just come out here if they want to play and stuff, and obviously get some grass. So just at the bottom of this wee trail, it just comes out on a wee gate bit, and then we're looking right over this wee lake in the distance. It's cracking. Tyler recommend coming down here and just come for a wee walk, and this is where you can chill out in the morning. There's a couple of wee benches and that as well. You can just sit and have a cracking wee chill it. Maybe read a book, listen to a podcast, whatever you fancy. Walk your dog, but you're not going to have a dog if you're on holiday.
What if there's French people coming on holiday?
Aye, French people, but nobody that watches the vlog.
I feel there's French people watching our vlog.
So see that hotel away in the distance over there? That's B&B. That's where we stayed last time we came. It's actually still a good hotel. We get breakfast basically in the price of the room last time. And it was very good value. The room is a wee bit more basic than what we've got here, but still very nice. Here's another big massive hotel that's just next to us.
The Magic Circus.
The Magic Circus. It's supposed to be really good, this one as well.
Yeah.
To be honest, as you can see, so that there's our hotel there. There's a hotel here. There's one over here in the distance. Another one there, and that B&B one just there that I was telling you about. They're all situated round this wee lake, and I think they're all supposed to be really good and well worth it.
Same shuttle network that takes you down.
So you get a bus from Disney and it brings you down all these hotels for free, and it runs basically one every 10-15 minutes.
And it's only about 8 minutes on the bus, so it's really fast.